Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below to see more of my videos. So today's video is all about Nadula's hair. So this is the box that I came in. So what I ordered was a 14-inch hair, and so the hair that I ordered is a lace front human hair wig. So this is a Brazilian lace front wig, and in the box they gave me a wig cap, and then they gave me these like straps that you can use to tighten the wig. This is basically what the hair looks like after I kind of styled it. This is a 14-inch hair, as I mentioned before, and this is a light brown lace that it comes with, but I'll be using my powder or concealer to match my skin later on. And so this hair is basically pre-plucked, so I won't be doing anything much with it, with the front of the hair, so it looks all fine. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like on my head. Okay, so the hair already comes with baby hair, so that's a plus as well, as it's already pre-plucked. And as well, I wanted to point out that when I ordered this hair, like the next day, the company ensured to send my delivery out directly the next day, and it took like around a week for me to receive the hair. And when I received the hair came in good condition. It had like faint smell, but that was fine after I basically washed the hair. So but the hair itself is like really soft, and when you style it, it's like goes perfectly with what kind of style you want, whether it's straight or like this, or you want more curly. All right, so next up I will be showing you how I cut the lace off. So this is actually the first time that I'm doing this, so let's hope it goes all well. All right, so I decided to tie my hair back so I'll be able to cut the lace. Okay, so here we go. So I decided to switch up to this because I don't know, the scissors are just too big and it's just not working. Okay, so I have cut off the lace of the wig. So the only thing that I'm doing is making sure that the lace of the wig matches my skin tone. So I'm just applying powder. Alright, so next I'll just be trimming the baby hairs. This is the end result of my Nadula hair. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll make sure to leave down the details of this hair in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.